Hi guys, I'm Karthik LD. So I'm not your funny nor your serious guy. I am very moody, just like Bengaluru's weather. It's hot in the daytime, and in the evenings and night it's cool and rainy and pleasant. So talking about Bengaluru, what makes Bengaluru Bengaluru? So let's get started. So when I talk about Bengaluru, the term Bengaluru was first invented by our Kempe Gowda. Kempe Gowda was once sitting in a place near Kodigehalli when a lady gave him boiled beans, and then he named the city Benda Kaluru. Benda means beans. Thus, today we call our city Bengaluru. All thanks to our king Kempe Gowda. In the memory of Kempe Gowda, we have named our airport Kempe Gowda International Airport. Kempe Gowda was actually the Hoysala dynasty which ruled our region in the 13th century. Bengaluru, the heart of Karnataka, it is the place where modernity and tradition dance together. So today I am here at the Central Library, the State's Library. So silent. Bengaluru is known as a Silicon Valley of India, and it's known for its tech parks, hubs, and many more. Bengaluru is also called as a Silicon Valley of India. It is known for its towering skyscrapers and tech parks, which makes us the number one tech hub and entrepreneurial growth. Yet amidst the urban jungle, Bengaluru's soul thrives in its ancient temples, bustling markets, and the green lush parks. Bengaluru is known by many names like the IT capital, the Silicon Valley of India, the startup capital, the traffic capital, the cake capital, the ice cream capital, the dynamic city, the vibrant city. Bengaluru was once called the cleanest city of the country in 2018. Bengaluru can also be called the city of joy, like Kolkata city of joy. Even Bengaluru is like a city of joy. Like Mumbai's dream city, Bengaluru is also like a dream city where almost everybody's dream comes true. Bengaluru startup capital because many startups have started their company in Bengaluru. Some of the startups here are the Meesho app, the Danzo delivery app, the Zomato, the Cred UPI app, and many more. Bengaluru is also called as a garden city because of its lush gardens like Kavan Bagh, Lal Bagh, and the city has so many trees lined up at every road. Bengaluru should also be called the AI capital of India after being called the IT capital. Bengaluru is also called as Bangalore and is uniquely classified into various categories. Number 1, Tech Hub. Bengaluru is also called as a Silicon Valley of India and is hosting a lot of tech hubs, startups, and many other IT companies. Some of the companies include Infosys, Wipro, and other multinational companies. Number 2, Climate. The city enjoys a moderate climate throughout the year with moderate summers and cool winters throughout the year. And it's a significant draw for the residents and the visitors alike. Number 3, Bengaluru has a strong sports facility for cricket, badminton, kabaddi, tennis, and many more. The M. Chinnaswamy Stadium is famous for cricket, and the Sri Kantirva Stadium floors for athletics, football, kabaddi, volleyball, badminton, and many more. And Bengaluru has many more sports facilities. And Bengaluru has many sports clubs for many other sports activities and events. So this is the Karnataka's Sri Kantirva Indoor Stadium, where kabaddi and badminton and volleyball take place over here. Number 4. Green spaces. Despite urbanization, Bengaluru is known for its gardens, parks, and tree lined avenues, earning its nickname Garden City. Number 5. Transport and connectivity. Bengaluru is well connected through the airport. It has a good road network and has a growing metro system. Despite traffic congestion issues, Bengaluru is continuously solving this by improving the infrastructure. Bengaluru also has a suburban railway and is growing in much better ways. So, number 6, cultural spaces and iconic landmarks. So, Bengaluru is home to Kabban Park, Lal Bagh Botanical Garden, Vidhan Sauda, and Bangalore Palace, which form a part of the city's identity, which keeps the visitors and the residents. It gives them a cultural feel and recreational opportunities over here. Number 7, diverse population. The city is a melting pot of culture with a cosmopolitan population attracting people from India and around the world, having a mix of language, cuisine, tradition, and what more. Number 8, multilingualism. Kannada is the official language, but English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, and many other languages are widely spoken, reflecting in the city's diverse population. Number 9, education and research institutions. Bengaluru boasts a plethora of education and research institutions, including the Indian Institute of Science (IISc), Indian Institute of Management (IIM), and the National Institute of Fashion Technology (NIFT). Number 10, cuisine. Bengaluru offers a diverse collection of South Indian food, starting from the steamy dosas to the bisi idlis, to vadas, to chili bhaji and mango buns. The cafes, the street food and the fine dining cater to a varied tastes. 11. Sustainable initiatives. Bengaluru is continuously focusing on sustainable urban development with initiatives in waste management, renewable energy, and public transport improvements. Number 12, innovation and research. So institutions like the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO and the Bharat Electronics Limited BEL are based here, which help with the significant advancements in space and defense technologies. Number 13, arts and literature. Bengaluru's art and literature is a testament to its cultural diversity and intellectual vibrancy, making it a hub for artists, writers, and thinkers. So, Bengaluru's literature, places like the Bengaluru Literature Fest and the Times Lit Fest. Visual arts. Visual arts is famous in Karnataka's Chitrakala Parishad and the National Gallery for Modern Art, and performing art at the Chowda Memorial Hall and the Bangalore International Center for music, dance, and performing theatre plays. Number 14, economic hub. Besides IT, Bengaluru is also a hub for aerospace, biotechnology, and manufacturing processes. It also houses numerous industrial parks and special economic zones. Number 15, historical significance. Bengaluru has a rich history dating back to the early centuries. Historical places include the Big Bull Temple, Tipu Sultan's Summer Palace, Bengaluru's Palace, ISKCON Temple, and many more, showcasing the cultural history. Number 16. The city is a major center for healthcare with world-renowned hospitals and research institutions like Manipal, Apollo Hospital, Narayana Health, and the National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, that is the NIMHANS. These elements collectively make Bengaluru a vibrant, a dynamic, and a culturally rich city, balancing its historical legacy with modern advancements and a forward looking spirit. The charm of Bengaluru lies in its ability to embrace contradictions. It is a city where the old and new converge, creating vibrant and everlasting landscape. So, there is this place near Rajan Kunte, Bengaluru, where the temple, the Gurudwara, the mosque, the church, all these four are lined up one after the other. Take a look. In Kaban Park, early morning joggers share paths with the ancient heritage sculptures, while the scent of fresh brewing coffee wafts through the air from nearby cafes. In Lalbagh's botanical garden, the old trees, the exotic plants remind the visitors of how Bengaluru's deep connection with nature is. As the city transitions into night, the nightlife is lively with cafes, pubs, and clubs buzzing with people. Music, conversations, and laughter fills the air, embodying with the city's vibrant and youthful essence. Moving on from tradition to modern, a visit to the bustling market of Brigade Road is a must, lined up with trendy boutiques, global brands, and quirky cafes make the atmosphere a cosmopolitan spirit. Bengaluru's diversity is palpable in its neighborhood, from the colonial charm of MG Road to the vibrant art scene of Indiranagar and the bustling commercial streets of Jayanagar. Each locality tells its own story, woven into the larger tapestry of the city's history. Here, the air is filled up with the hum of activity, where people of all kinds of walk come here and show how Bengaluru's cosmopolitan nature is. On a typical day, one might start a visit to the Big Bull Temple at Baswangudi, where the Nandi, which is the colonial granite statue, stands. And then later, you can take a leisure walk at the Gandhi Market or the KR Market, where people are selling spices, vegetables, and a colorful chaos of the flower market. So you can have a nice recreation activity in Namma Bengaluru, like going to the Wonderla amusement park for a day, which is around 50 kilometers from Bengaluru, which is at Biddi. You can also go for a circus. There are a lot of circus shows that happen in Namma Bengaluru, like the Rambo Circus and the Gemini Circus. Number 3, you can go for a live cricket match, which happens in M. Chinnaswamy Stadium. Usually the matches happen between India versus some other country, or the domestic matches that happen between Karnataka or some other state. There are many tournaments that happen here. You can also go to a traffic jam and spot some of the luxury cars like McLaren, the Lamborghini, the Audis, and Porsche and many more. Also, you can go for a go-karting experience with friends. You can challenge your friends for a race and you will have the best time ever with friends. You can also go for a swimming pool. You can take a dip at the nearby swimming center and have the best time ever.
Oh, that one by bro again. That balle balle boy. No, no,
At Jakku's aerodrome, you can take a micro flight. You can have a aeroplane type of experience sitting behind the pilot, and you can see the Bengaluru skyscraping views and the houses and everything else. Presenting you all our great Kempe Gowda, the founder of Bengaluru. The Bengaluru's airport is one of the best in the world with good infrastructure, and there are vertical gardens across every nook and corner. It's also one of India's cleanest airports. Some of the famous and notable people across fields are number 1, CNR Rao, a chemist and a scientist, also a Bharat Awardee winner. Number 2, Anil Kumble, a former India cricketer and a former India captain. Number 3, Rahul Dravid, a former India cricketer, a former coach of the Indian side, and also India's greatest cricketer India has ever produced. Number 4, Prakash Padukone, a former India badminton player, India's greatest badminton player. Number 5, Deepika Padukone. Deepika Padukone is an acclaimed Bollywood actress and father Prakash Padukone, who is also a badminton player. Number 6, Nandan Nilekani, a co-founder of Infosys and a great pioneer in the IT industry. Number 7, Narayana Murthy, a co-founder of Infosys and also a great pioneer in the IT industry. Number 8, Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy is a social worker, a author, and also one of the greatest social leaders in our country. Number 9, Rohan Bopanna. Rohan Bopanna is a tennis player, a professional tennis player and India's best doubles player. He's also world's number 1 in doubles. Number 10, Girish Karnad. Girish Karnad is a playwright, actor, director known in the Indian cinemas. Number 11, Raghu Dikshit. Raghu Dikshit is an Indian singer and a composer. Number 12, Dr. Vishnu Vardhan. Vishnu Vardhan was a late actor. He was known for his acting skills in the Kannada cinema. Number 13, R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan was an author. He is known for his many books like The Malgudi Days, Swami and His Friends, The Missing Mail, and many more. Number 14, Kiran Mazumdar Shaw. Kiran Mazumdar Shaw is known for her company, Biocon, a pioneer pharmaceutical company. Bengaluru's weather is always the best, especially late night drives gives you the thrill. In Bengaluru, the past and the future coexist seamlessly, creating a city that is as rooted as its heritage as it is reaching for its stars. Amidst the hustle and bustle, the city's tech parks such as Electronic City and Whitefield stand as modern day fortresses for innovation, housing some of the world's leading IT companies. These areas are the backbone of Bengaluru's identity for global technology powerhouse. The sight of young professionals breaking barriers in software development, artificial intelligence, and biotech is a common and inspiring. What truly makes Bengaluru Bengaluru is its people, known for their warmth and hospitality. The residents, the students, techies, artists, or entrepreneurs contribute to this unique blend of progressiveness and tradition. Their stories, dreams, and aspirations create the pulsating heartbeat of this ever evolving metropolis. Do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. Love you all. Take care and bye.